Have you ever felt a sense of calm or resilience in the face of life's challenges? Almost as if there's something within you protecting your spirit. Perhaps you've noticed how others gravitate toward your energy, sensing something profound about your presence. But what if this wasn't just a coincidence? Today, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the hidden layers of our spiritual essence, a force that shapes not only our outlook on life, but also the energy we project to the world. What if your ability to stay composed, joyful, and centered is a reflection of a deep connection with universal truths, an alignment with something eternal and boundless? In this video, we'll explore 7 profound spiritual aspects that illuminate your inner strength, amplify your presence, and enhance your life in ways you may never have imagined. Each one reveals how cultivating these qualities can elevate your journey and help you live with purpose, serenity, and fulfillment. Join us as we unlock the wisdom that's already within you, truths that connect you to the limitless energy of the universe. If this resonates, take a moment to subscribe to Wisdom Quest, where we delve into timeless philosophies to inspire personal growth, inner peace, and spiritual awakening. Let's begin. 1. The light of inner peace. Your ability to remain calm, even in turbulent times, isn't just a mindset. It's a reflection of a deep spiritual grounding. When you embrace inner peace, your energy becomes magnetic, radiating harmony and balance. This inner stillness shields you from negativity, allowing your true essence to shine through. Pause and reflect. How often do you pause to nourish your inner tranquility? 2. The power of gratitude. Grateful hearts attract abundance. When you live with gratitude, your perspective transforms. You begin to see beauty in the simplest things, and this shift creates a ripple effect of positivity in your life. Gratitude is more than a practice. It's a gateway to boundless joy and spiritual alignment. Actionable tip. Begin and end your day with 3 things you're grateful for, and notice the change in your energy. 3. Harmony with nature. Do you feel recharged when surrounded by nature? This is no accident. When you connect with the natural world, you tap into the earth's rhythms, harmonizing your spirit with something vast and eternal. This alignment revitalizes your body, mind, and soul, offering clarity and renewed energy. Wisdom Quest Challenge. Spend 10 minutes outdoors each day to reconnect with this timeless force. 4. Compassion as a shield. Compassion isn't just a virtue. It's a transformative energy. When you approach life with empathy and kindness, you dissolve barriers, both within yourself and in your relationships. Compassion not only nurtures others, but fortifies your spirit, keeping you resilient against life's stresses. Ask yourself, how can I show more compassion today, both to others and to myself? 5. Resilience through wisdom. True resilience comes from understanding that every challenge holds a lesson. Those who walk the path of wisdom see setbacks not as failures, but as stepping stones to growth. This perspective grants you strength and grace in the face of adversity. Reflection. Think of a recent challenge. What did it teach you about yourself? 6. Living with purpose. Have you ever felt that you're here for something greater? Living with purpose connects you to a flow of energy that energizes and sustains you. Purpose fuels your actions and imbues your life with meaning, keeping you vibrant and fulfilled. Wisdom Quest Prompt. What's one small action you can take today to align with your purpose? 7. Joy is a spiritual anchor. Joy isn't found, it's cultivated. When you live with an open heart, seeking moments of joy in the everyday, you create a powerful force that uplifts both yourself and those around you. This joyful energy reflects an alignment with your highest self. Reminder, your smile has the power to brighten someone's day. Share it generously. As we close, reflect on how these spiritual aspects resonate with you. Are there moments in your life when you felt this profound connection with your inner energy? If today's journey has sparked something within you, Subscribe to Wisdom Quest to continue exploring the deep and transformative wisdom that enriches your life. Share this video with someone you think might need this message. They might just thank you for it. Thank you for joining us on this path. Until next time, remember, your spiritual essence is your greatest treasure. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you toward a life of purpose, peace, and profound joy.